Good morning, students. This is Mrs. Pomisher. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. This is my second Screencast-O-Matic. I hope you enjoyed the one from yesterday, from Wednesday. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to work on a writing activity. So in Otis, if you go to your lessons, you will see some instructions, okay? So again, this is under your Lessons tab, and it says ELA, Thursday, 4/9/20, journal entry. Okay, you'll read the directions here, and then open up the document. It's a journal prompt. So let's see if I can open it up for you. There are several sentence starters in blue, and then there's also a word bank at the bottom if it will help you with your writing. You're more than welcome to use that. But you can see here you're going to respond to the questions that are in black and next to the bullet points below. Okay, for example, what have you done during the past 3 weeks to keep busy? And then you can use some of the sentence starters here if you choose to. If not, you don't have to. You can just respond to the question in your own words. And then, do you have any suggestions for your peers on things to do to keep busy? How are you feeling? How has e-learning been going so far? What has your experience been like? Is there anything you need from your teachers at this time? Okay, so those are the 5 questions you're going to answer, and you're going to be writing for a full 30 minutes. If you get stuck, you can always go back. You can add more information, more details, reread your writing, and then look at the word bank or sentence starters for ideas if you're stuck too. If it helps, you can set a timer on your Chromebook. That might give you kind of a range for your writing and for you to pace out your writing as well. So there's a word bank of transition words to go between questions when you're answering the questions. So you can use those and then post your response, your complete paragraph here. When you're done with it, that's the only assignment we have for ELA for Thursday, April 9th. When you finish that assignment, you'll click on Mark Completed. Okay, this is a key button right here. This is the hot button. So when you're done writing, you want to make sure you click this button, because otherwise when the teachers are looking at the assignments on Otis, it will show that you have 0 out of 1, for example, steps complete for today. And we want to make sure you're completing everything and you're getting the credit for what you do during this e-learning time. So please, please, please make sure you mark it completed for each time you complete an assignment in Otis during this e-learning period. So once you mark it completed, obviously you'll be done with it. And if you make a mistake, you need to go back or whatnot, or you don't think you're fully done, you can always just uncheck it. Okay. Otherwise, that's basically the plan for Thursday. Again, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to email any of your teachers. We're here to help. Also, we have that optional check-in time Ms. Cochran has available with these Zoom links. I'm going to go back to the agenda to show you guys. These links are direct links to your period class Zoom meeting. So if you need help with anything, you can click this link and we can, this drop-in help, you can click the links and they should go right to one of us. If for whatever reason you need to Zoom and it's not open at that time, just go ahead and shoot one of us an email and we can try to open up the Zoom meeting as soon as we check our email. So those are also options for help. Some of you mentioned, like, I'm having problems with my Chromebook or things are not working like they should. You can email campus support and they can help you hopefully, fix whatever is needed with your Chromebook. So always make sure you're checking these links at the bottom of our agenda for any updates, and we'll try to keep you posted as well. Oh, and again, don't forget the fun daily bell ringers here. We're keeping those up. Mrs. Schumann's keeping those updated. So make sure you check those out for fun once you get a chance. Once again, we're here to help. Hope you're having a wonderful day so far, and we look forward to seeing you soon.